I hope you are all fine at your home. And today is a story day of partition, right? And we are doing challenges of nation building and process of partition. I told you and gave you the homework also. So, you know, I want to recapitulate what happened, whatever happened over there. And after that, little bit within 2 or 3 minutes, then I will start the consequences of partition. What was the what were the problems? First problem was it was decided that or till the known as India would be divided into two countries. ये तो बात हो गई थी ना कि इंडिया को दो हिस्सों में बांट दिया जाएगा. But this idea to divide the two countries was not so simple. This idea was not so simple, but it present all kind of difficulties. First of all, there were no single belt of Muslims, and basically East Pakistan and West Pakistan. East Pakistan towards Bangladesh and West Pakistan towards NWFP, Northwestern Frontier Province. And many people like Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, frontier Hindu, frontier Gandhian person, frontier Gandhian of Pakhtunistan and NWFP. He always opposed the two nation theory, but nobody listened to him. Then that this was the second problem. Third problem was that two Muslim majority provinces of British India, Punjab and Bengal had a very large areas where non-Muslims were also in majority. Right. ये जो ये north west frontier province Sindh area, in Sindh lot of Hindus were also there. In Pakistan were many localities there were a lot of Hindus, majority were Hindus. And if you go to East Pakistan, that is Dhaka, now Bangladesh, lot of Hindus are still we have got 3 to 4 crore people are Hindus in Bangladesh. 3 to 4 crore people, they belong to Hindu family. They are living in Bangladesh. They have the Bangladesh nationalists, right? So that is the answer. It was not. It was very difficult. And this was related to the fourth and the most intraceable of all the problems of partition, that Muslim majority and Hindu majority, Muslim minority, Hindu minority. They travel from one place to another place to save themselves. Now come to the point. This was related to the fourth of the most interestable all problems of partition. There was a problem of minority. Just I told you the problem of minorities on both of the sides of the border. Lakhs of Hindus taken areas, they were now in Pakistan, and equally large number of Muslims on the Indian side, Punjab and Bengal, and to some extent the Delhi and surrounding area found themselves trapped. Many people, Hindus and Muslim, earlier they have no differences. कोई उन्हें कुछ नहीं कहता था. They used to we people, Hindu people used to go to Lahore, Peshawar, whatever Peshawar and other Hind area. Nobody used to say, no one used to say that why you came here. No one, because India it was one. And same, many Muslims from the Pakistan, they used to travel to India and without any fear, without any grudges. But now suddenly everything was changed. Suddenly everything was changed. They were to discover that they were undesirable aliens in their own home. समझ बात आ रही है. अब उनको लोग ऐसे देखने लगे जैसे they were the culprits. If Hindu used to go to Pakistan to trace their own people, they were looked upon as the culprits, and they were aliens in their own home. वो अपने आप को बहुत बेसहारा अजीब सा महसूस करने लगे. In the land where their ancestors had lived, and they were feeling aliens in that same land where their ancestor forefathers for the centuries they were living over there. Right. As soon as it became clear uh, that the country was going to be partitioned, the minorities on the both sides became easy targets to attack. Now the main problem started. Easy targets to attack. They used to be minorities people. Minorities were in basically in Pakistan also Hindu minorities, and in India they were Muslim minorities. They were attacked, badly attacked. They were looted. They were plundered. Women were kidnapped, abducted, raped. Right, right. And as soon as it became clear sight, became very easy targets of attack, no one had quite anticipated the scale of problem now. Anticipated सोचना किसी ने नहीं सोचा था कि ये जो प्रॉब्लम है ये इतनी भयंकर हो जाएगी. Right. No one had any plan for handling this. Initially, the people had political leaders kept hoping that this violence was temporary and would be controlled soon. Right, as they thought that these people knew each other, and this problem is a temporary, maybe many people are killed, but this problem will be solved very soon and everything will be in peace. But very soon the violence went out of control. Very soon the violence went out of control. Yeah, very soon the violence became out of control, and the people were trapped. The miners on both sides of the border were left without no option except to leave their homes. Their homes were plundered, their homes were burned, the people were killed, women were abducted, they faced inhuman activities. Right. So often at few hours notice. Consequences of partition. Now consequences. See the train, in your book also, page number 9. Right? See the train. See this. What happened? The full of train is there. People are sitting inside and people are sitting on the roof also. This train was coming was going from in maybe India to Pakistan or Pakistan to India, whatever it is. The year 1947 was the year of one of the largest, most abrupt, unplanned, and tragic transfer of population. Underline कीजिए, largest, one of the largest one, most abrupt number two, unplanned number three, and tragic transfer of population number four. कभी दुनिया में ऐसे हिस्ट्री में नहीं हुआ. It was not in the parallel of the history of anywhere in the world that this type of situation we have to face. Right? So, most abrupt, unplanned, and one population is going to from India to Pakistan and Pakistan to India. And largest, most abrupt man अचानक हो गया था ये घटना. वो सोचे ठीक है पाकिस्तान पाकिस्तान में चला जाएगा, will go, some part will go to Pakistan, some part will come to India. The India will be divided like this and people will be happy. But suddenly, violence erupted. Violence, unprecedented violence erupted. And tragic transfer of population that human history has known. There were killings, atrocities on the both of the sides. Hindus kill, Muslims kill Hindus, same from Hindu side also, on the border. In the name of religion, these killing was on not that they were the population of Hindu and Muslim. They killed on the name of religion. Religion कि हिंदुओं ने मुस्लिम को मारा, मुस्लिम ने हिंदुओं को मारा. Nobody knows the name of the each other. Maybe they were friends also earlier, but now they don't want to know the names of each other. They want to know only Hindus and Muslims. They ruthlessly killed the regional people of one community, ruthlessly killed and maimed का मतलब है basically अपाहिज कर देना, बुरी तरह से मार देना. Right, maimed people of other community. Cities like Lahore, Amritsar, Yeah. Cities like Lahore, Amritsar, and Kolkata became divided into communal zones. Amritsar, Kolkata, Lahore. Is in India, Kolkata is in India, and Lahore is in Pakistan. They were called communal zones. They were called communal zones. Muslims would avoid going into that particular area where Hindus were in majority. Same Hindus were avoiding to go to the Muslim area where the Muslims were in majority. Earlier, they were both friends of each other. Nobody think of anything bad about one or other. Forced to abandon their homes, here it is, forced to abandon their homes and move across border, people went through immense sufferings. लोग जब आपने कई फिल्में भी देखी होगी one film was border गर्म हवा of Balraj Saini border of some I don't know maybe it was one of the you know very common movie border, right? So forced to, they the people were forced to abandon. उनको कहा गया शॉर्ट नोटिस के ऊपर कि अपने घर छोड़ दो. हिंदुओं को कहा गया कि आप अपने भारत चले जाओ, हिंदुस्तान चले जाओ, और मुसलमानों को कहा गया आप पाकिस्तान चले जाओ. Went through immense suffering. Minorities on both sides of the border fled with home and fled from their home and often secured temporary shelter in refugee camps. Yesterday, I told you some refugee camp here in India, in Panipat, also camps were there. Some camp areas are there. What do you know, camp area? Hundred of years ago, 70, 80, 90, 1947 ke baad, the refugee came over here. Same areas, we all call it refugee camps. Now they are not refugee called, they are not called refugees, they are called camp areas. In Panipat is also there, Jalandhar is also there, Amritsar is also there. In everywhere, Patiala is also there. Lot of camps throughout India, lot of camps were uh, a lot of camps were built over there to go to give them refuge to the refugees. And they fled their home, वो अपने घर से भाग गए और वो उन्होंने temporary shelter जिसे refugee camps कहा जाता था, they used to take the shelter over there. They often found unhelpful local administration, police in what was still recently their own country. People were not helpful to one of each other. They were not helping to each other. Lot of people they helped, but maximum they were not helping. And police were also not helping to each other. They traveled to the other side of the new border by all sort of means, often by foot. Even during this journey, they were often attacked, killed, raped. Thousands of women were abducted on both sides of the border. Journey करते हुए भी कई बार, group of people they used to attack on them. They used to kill them. Women were attacked. Right? They had to go through many atrocities, inhuman condition, and they were married, forcefully married. They changed. They forced to change their religion, and they were married. It's written over here. Thousands of women were abducted on both sides of the border. They were made to convert their religion. जो मेड टू उनको कहा गया कि तुम मुस्लिम बन जाओ, right? They converted to religion of the abductor and forced into marriage. In many cases, women were killed by their own family members. कई घरों में लोगों ने अपने women को मार दिया. Why? To save their family honor. Honor killing, honor killing. That started from Pakistan. Honor killing. Sometimes it's in Punjab and Haryana and UP, Bihar. Still it's there. Honor killing. They used to kill the women part. Right. So preserve their preserve their honor. Many children were separated from their parents. छोटे छोटे बच्चे अपने मम्मी पापा से जुदा हो गए. Let's just imagine कीजिए राइट? एक छोटा बच्चा यदि माँ बाप से जुदा हो जाए तो उसका क्या हाल हो सकता है? व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? व्हाट कुड बी द प्रॉब्लम? यू नो, इट प्रॉब्लम वर immense. Those who did manage to cross the border found that they had no home. और जो एक दूसरे के क्रॉस करके borders, they found that on the other part when they cross that they have no home, right? No food, no shelter, no clothes, what to do, no work. For lakhs of these refugees, the country's freedom mean life in refugee camp. आजादी ने क्या दिया उनको? एक यू नो एक क्वेश्चन मार्क वाली जिंदगी, एक रेफ्यूजी की जिंदगी, क्या मिला उनको आजादी से? The people who were killed, the people who were maimed, the people who were not in a good condition, what they got? Many people, they were thinking that they were getting good, they were having a good life after crossing the border. What they got? They nothing. They got the refugee life, right? Writers, poets, and filmmakers in India and Pakistan have expressed the ruthlessness of killings and sufferings of displacement and violence in novels, short stories, poems, and films. Writers, yeah, writers, poets, and filmmakers, they wrote many things about the refugee camp, about Pakistani people, what they were suffering, about Indian people, what we were suffering, right? So they wrote many, and they screened many films also. Still, there are many films in these days. No, they one I told you one film was their border. One film was their border. Sunny, yeah, I got it. The hero was Sunny Deol and all, right? So that was on Pakistan and India. While recounting the trauma of partition, they have often used the phrase the survivors themselves used to describe partition as a division of hearts. कई लोग जो कहते थे कि ये पार्टीशन नहीं है, ये दिलों की दूरी है ये, राइट? एंड ये दिलों को तोड़ा गया है, ये political people, political masters, for their own benefits, they divided India and they moved towards Pakistan. The partition was not merely a division of properties. The partition was not merely a division of properties, liabilities, and assets, or a political division of the country and the administrative apparatus. What also got divided were the financial assets, the things like tables, chairs, typewriters, paper, clips, books, and all musical instruments of the police band. The employees of the government and the railways were also divided. Above all, it was a violent separation of communities who had hitherto lived together. Hitherto means from the centuries they were living together. It means from the centuries they were living together. Their ancestors were living together. They were having no problem. They didn't dream also that this portion will be divided into Hindus and Muslims on the basis of religion. They didn't know that this partition will give them lot of miseries which they don't want to count now. They will not able to forget, and they will be enemy of each other, right? Who had Hitler? It is estimated that partition forced about 80 lakh people to migrate from one border to another border. 80 lakh लोगों ने 80 लाख लोगों ने देश को छोड़ा, एक देश और दूसरे देश को छोड़ा. One went to one Pakistan, a Pakistan person when Hindu come to in India. So 80 lakh people, between 5 to 10 lakh people were killed. Near about 10 lakh people were killed. Will you imagine it? 10 लाख लोगों को मार दिया गया. Partition related violence. जस्ट इमेजिन कीजिए. ये हम कहते हैं ना कि पाकिस्तान बन गया, हिंदुस्तान बन गया, right? This is all bullshit, right? अभी भी this is all political agenda, political parties. ना पाकिस्तान से बांग्लादेश बन गया, तो बना क्या था? तो वो हिंदुस्तानी, you know, politics has no base. From where you can start politics, you yourself don't know. कहाँ से राजनीति शुरू हो जाएगी हमें कुछ नहीं पता. And let me tell you one thing, friends, राजनीति means राज्य को चलाने की नीति. How to run a government, that is राजनीति, राज्य की नीति. कैसे हम एक गवर्नमेंट को चलाएंगे. But now it's a criminal politics. These are all people killed each other. They were the criminals. There's no particular thing, the Hindus or Muslims. Whosoever killing each other, they are the criminals. Beyond the administration concern and financial strain, however, the partition posed another deeper issue. एक और issue सा गोबर के सामने आया. The leaders of Indian national struggle did not believe the two-nation theory, and yet partition on religious basis had taken place. Did that Indian Hindu nation automatically? Did that make India a Hindu nation automatically? Even after the large-scale migration of Muslims to a newly created Pakistan, the Muslim population in India announced for 12% of the total population in 1951. So how would the government of India treat these Muslim citizens and other religious minorities, Sikhs, Christians, Jain, Buddhists, Parsis, Jews? The partition had already created severe conflict between two communities. A very depth meaning. देखिए आप कुछ भी, यदि आप कुछ भी कर लीजिए, first of all, we are human beings. Okay, they created some problem that this is a beyond the administrative concern, financial stains. Partition pose another deeper issue. We don't believe two nation theory. Okay, Pakistan believe two nation theory. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Liaquat Ali Khan, they believe two nation theory. But we don't believe two nation theory. Can you believe that in India at present, more than 25 lakh people are Muslims. This is much more in number in population that lived in Pakistan. पाकिस्तान में जितने मुस्लिम्स हैं ना, भारत में उससे 5% ज्यादा हैं. There are 15 to 17 crore people. We have got 20 crore Muslims in India. And many localities, you go to Lucknow, I don't know you have been there or not. You go to Moradabad, you go to Bagpat, you go to UP, you go to, Gujarat, you go to part of Kolkata, you go to Karnataka. Lot of localities are Muslim dominated area. How will you divide them? What name you will give them? And other Hindus are and in except Hindus, we have got Jains, we have got Sikh, we have got other people also. Even Jews are also in India. Jews, Yahudi जिसे कहते हैं आप लोग, वो भी भारतवर्ष में है. Maybe their numbers are very less. They are also residing in India. Christians are also there. Christians are in a good number, right? So Jains are there, Buddhists are there, Parsis are there. The partition had already created severe conflict between two communities. The partition, basically Hindus or Muslim, Pakistan or India, that was created a bad effect on the people. It was created a conflict between two communities. दो community आपस में लड़ पड़े. हिंदू कम्युनिटी, मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी. जब उन्होंने कहा ना टू नेशन थियोरी, हिंदूज अलग हैं, मुस्लिम अलग हैं, Muslims, Hindus, they are not one nation. We need Pakistan, and Pakistan political masters like Liaquat Ali Khan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and Muhammad Iqbal, who wrote सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा. He also favored two nation theory. At the last, he also told, that we need Pakistan. We need Pakistan. Right. This Muhammad Iqbal. Can you imagine this? Once upon he said, Sare Jahan se acha Hindustan hamara. Still we sing this song. Still we sing this song. So, what the political masters are going to think about it, we don't know. Next, there were competing political interests behind these conflicts. The Muslim League was formed to protect the interests of Muslim colonial India. Now I will leave over here. I will define. Muslim League bana kyun? Muslim League basically Hindus were there, so Muslims were feeling neglected. So what to do? They created hue and cry that if there is some type of partition of India, we need Pakistan. हमें पाकिस्तान चाहिए. And for them, Muslim League became a well wisher for the Muslims people. Right. So they said that they used to be Muslim colonial people in India. It was in the forefront of the demand for the separate Muslim nation. I told you, it was in forefront. Muhammad Iqbal, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, right, and Liaquat Ali Khan. They were in the forefront. They said they need a separate Muslim land, and that was Pakistan. Okay, I come to an end over here. Today is 12th of May. From tomorrow, I will start from here only. After that, be at your home. Don't move here and there. Always have mask and sanitization, right? And do justice to your work. Look, I'm coming from Panipat to your school, right? Please think about the political science, right? And do your best. आप अपना अच्छे से करो, अपने अच्छे से पढ़ो, बाकी सब कुछ ऊपर वाले को छोड़ो. Thank you, बच्चा. Have a nice time. Thank you and good day.